Want to work from anywhere in the world and have your family close to you at all times? Well, in 3 steps, I can guarantee you that. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make $400 daily. Yes, $400 daily just from trading. I'm going to break it down to the very basics. Yeah, I'm going to show you how to get perfect entry points, perfect exit points too, so that you know what you are doing. All you have to do is watch this short 10 minutes video and let me change your life for the better. Let's get it. All right, so I'm in the pocket option terminal and now we'll add our indicators. We need 2 moving averages and fractals here, as you can see here. Okay, they're on the screen. Now let's set up our system. For the first MA, we need to set the period to 50 and change its EMA. Now let's adjust the color. I'll set it to white and you can choose the other one. I'll also make it a bit thicker for better visibility. Done. Okay, let's move to the second one. For this, let's set the period to 200 here and let's use the EMA. Let's make it bolder for clarity and you can choose any color. It's a matter of taste. Now our system is up and running. I'll show you how to use it for trading. First, we look at the crossover of the moving averages. When the white 50-minute MA is above, the asset is rising. So this is the upward rise. When the 50-minute MA is below, the chart usually falls. That's the core of the 2 MAs. They indicate the direction of movement. Now we need to be precise on entry points, and fractals will help us with that. We draw the line from the triangles and wait for the price to cross them. A breakout in any direction gives us signals. This way we can enter multiple within a single trade, and it works both for upwards and for downwards. The MAs tell us which direction the price is moving, and the fractals give us entry signals. It's very simple. Now let's test this strategy in real time. The current currency pair will help us do this. I'll take a short pause here, and if there's no active downward movement, I'll open a long position. In trading, it's important not to rush and always control the position. At the right time, it's better to play it safe and miss an uncertain opportunity than to take everything that comes your way. Okay, here's a good spot to go, not too long. Now let's analyze the situation. First off, the fractal has been broken upwards. Second off, we are currently in an upward phase with the white moving average above. Third off, there's an overall upward trend and the pullback. Right now isn't a problem at all. This has happened before, so we're trading according to the strategy. Most of the trade is behind us, guys, and I think it will be closed easily. This is absolutely usual, and it's informed approved trading in which you understand what you're doing. In this case, many traders would have opened a short position, relying on intuition, outside the system, and exactly why they'll lose money in the long run. Always be calm. Meanwhile, I'm close to the target, guys. Just a few more seconds. Yes! Closed on the first trade of the day. This asset is too boring. I'll switch to something more suitable. So here we'll enter a rising market again. I'm opening the long position and now I'll show you everything in detail. This is a very intriguing moment. The price has stopped right on the fractal line and it did so with the help of doji, such a cross-shaped candle that often signals change in direction. And considering the white MA above, we can expect the upward movement to resume. As you can see, we've immediately surged upwards. A good start for the trade, guys. I'm sure it will be closed easily. I've noticed that the doji and other candlestick patterns are rarely discussed on YouTube, as well as the other market techniques. If you want to access the exclusive information of my personal signals, I recommend subscribing to my Telegram channel and sending me a message. The link is in the video description below. Meanwhile, I'm about to enter another trade. Yes, another profitable trade, and I plan to stay on the charts for now. Such a positive bullish candle suggests clear continuation of the upward movement. Let's enter the market right away. I'm sure that another profit is waiting for us there. A quick remark. We've just broken from the fractal upward, which further confirms the high chances of continued growth. Now let's watch. Our strategy suggests frequent entries, but it is always worth staying on the same asset for as long as it provides suitable signals. Personally, I make the most money when I trade the same trend for extended periods. Meanwhile, the situation on the currency pair isn't great. The asset isn't rising and this could turn, sadly, into a losing trade. No need to worry though, the problems are all solvable. Meanwhile, a new candle has opened with the gap down, which is even worse than I expected. If there's no sharp buyout, I'll have to offset the loss. I'm mentally prepared for this, and now I will show you how to tackle such challenges. Yes, I am in the red, and I'll immediately double the risk and open a trade. So you see 200 there. Once again, let's recap the situation. We are in an upward trend, with the white moving average position above. We've caught the pause before the upward movement resumes, and the increased risk of $200 should offset the previous loss. This time, the asset is performing as expected. The quoting is rising. I am almost certain it will end well. Loss offsetting is a useful tool, guys. Don't overuse it. Try not to risk too much of your deposits, or you could nullify the trading account. Start by risking 5 to 10%. No more. If you can, it's better to start with 2 or 3%. Meanwhile, I'm almost closing this position. A few more seconds and yes, another successful trade is finished. Let's switch assets and continue our work. So here's a new opportunity for a good trade. I'm entering on the assets rise. And now I will show you the point of our analysis. First, we're looking at the trend. It is clearly upward. The white is moving average above, confirming the upward phase. At the same time, we have a fractal that the quoting has also crossed. We can expect the quoting to rise to at least this level. The price might reach it and then reverse into a new pullback. By the way, this pullback could go all the way to the trend line I drew earlier. And from there, a new reversal is entirely possible. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. I've just shown you how to prepare for different scenarios, and your own analysis will guide you. Always note such movements. They'll help you navigate the market's main objective, guys. Meanwhile, I'm close to success. Just a few moments and yes, another profitable trade. Friends, let's switch pairs again today and open the final trade for the day. Well. Here's the moment of clarity. I'm opening a long position here, and now I will give you the final breakdown for today. We have a fractal that was broken upwards by the price, and there was also a recent MA crossover. Now we're in the upward phase, a simple yet reliable entry point. Let's see how it turns out. I think you've already checked out the pros of this strategy. It gives us two tools for trading successfully: moving averages for the big scale and fractals as a scalpel for precise entries. By combining these signals, we move from the general to specific, achieving success in the long run. I recommend trying this strategy on your own, but test it personally before starting. Don't jump into trades right away. At least conduct minimal testing. Meanwhile, I'm closing another profitable trade, guys. The final trade for today is a complete success. Now, let's summarize this video. Look, guys, the key to trading is practice. Everything comes with experience. Even the best guys have to practice. All you have to do to get this is experience. So you will try, you will fail, but if you try, you will get it. I hope you guys enjoyed the content, and the best way to show your support for this channel is to like, share, and subscribe. That's the best thing you can do for me. So let's get to liking, let's get to sharing, and let's get to subscribing, guys. I'd like to see you next time. If you want more here and now, all you have to do is join my Telegram channel and get some amazing signals, guys. There's currently a bonus going on, 50% off on your first pocket option deposit. All you have to do, guys, is join my Telegram channel. All right, that's all for now. Successful trading, guys. I'll see you next time. Let's go.